welcome back to our channel and welcome to the last video of 2020. We are clearly really excited that this year is going to end. Hopefully 2021 is a better year.
Yeah, hopefully. So in this video, we are sharing some of the best moments of 2020. To be honest, ये video सोचने में we took a lot of time कि हम क्या बताएं.
Because 2020 was such a shitty year.
Yeah, it was.
I mean, see, there were a lot of negative things and lows. So we are gonna just keep them aside, not talk about that, and focus on a little bit of positivity that happened.
Exactly.
So let's get started.
First thing which I have was in Jan and Feb when COVID-19 did not hit and everyone was hoping that 2020 is going to be the year. So that time my workflow as a makeup artist was going really good. I was so happy. Obviously I did not have brides or very big clients, but wo jo chote clients the, I was working every day, like almost every day, and that gave so much satisfaction to me. I was so happy and so proud of myself. So Jan and Feb was very good for me work wise. उसके बाद तो COVID-19 ने पूरा सपने को बोला चलो बाय बाय निकलो इधर से. But yeah, not thinking about those times, but I'm very grateful for Jan and Feb कि यार वो टाइम पे तो एटलीस्ट मैंने इतने अच्छे से काम किया and hopefully आगे जाके और भी काम करेंगे.
Okay, so starting with Jan, so it was my parents' 24th wedding anniversary in Jan, and I always as a child had a dream that on every anniversary I wanted to do something special for my parents, and by special it doesn't mean it has to be expensive, of course. So पहले से जब से समझ आई है ना तब से I used to do like small things, pastry लाना, जब पैसे नहीं होते थे तो pocket money से pastry लाना या balloons लाना या something of that sort. And to be very honest, I am so grateful that since the past 3 to 4 years I am able to give them something that's actually valuable. So this year I gave them a staycation for one night at a 5-star hotel, and I also gave them like a 1-day pass for an amusement park, that is Imagica, and I gave them outfits, and it was just a very sweet experience, a memorable experience. So all in all I was really happy with that, and it was a very proud moment for me.
The next thing which I'm very happy and is the best about 2020 is that I started journaling. I have never ever journaled in my life pehle, but during this lockdown obviously we all were going through mixed emotions in our life and we always wanted to vent it out. So I felt that journaling was the best thing for me. So a few days back itself I just sat with my journal, जो start किया था. I was just laughing on myself कि क्या क्या लिखा है उसके अंदर. So yeah, it is a really nice way of expressing your emotions. I was very bad at expressing or talking about emotions earlier, so I feel journaling really helped me to know myself better with that.
Moving on to the next thing, this is something that I can't believe that I have even managed to do that, which is my fitness journey. So my fitness journey has always been on the last priority for me. I was always nahi pehle kaam ya pehle khana ya pehle enjoyment. That was like my priority. But I got diagnosed with PCOD 3 years ago, and I was still a very irresponsible person. But in this lockdown, to be very honest, I saw a completely different self that I did not even know I was capable of doing such exercises or such things. So I was doing intermittent fasting since November last year, and मतलब on and off चल रहा था. But lockdown में strictly I started doing intermittent fasting and working out 4 days a week for like half an hour, 45 minutes a day. And to be very honest, I've never felt so much fitter. I've never felt so light. My goal is never to reach like 50 kgs or 55 kgs. No. My goal is just I need to feel healthy from within. I need to get rid of that PCOD, which is obviously who likes to live with a disease, right? So my goal was that, and I'm really close to my goal. I can see the difference that I have in like 2 years pehle and abhi. My eating habits are still not the best, I will say that, but at least I'm balancing out that with a good amount of workout or some healthy habits like walking after having meals or having greens and having a good sweat session. So all in all, I'm really happy on the path that I am right now. And I have become that person that I cannot sleep without working out. अगर 4 दिन का वो mark complete नहीं होता ना एक week में, I'm just like too uneasy, like I need to work out. So I like like that feeling, and I never knew I could have that feeling, you know. I don't do anything. I don't have dumbbells. I don't even have a yoga mat, to be very honest. But jitna मैं करती हूँ, I'm like really satisfied right now. I hope I can reach my goal soon. So yeah, that has been a very positive change for me.
So the next thing which I want to say is that this year I became more closer to my friends, and you know I'm very grateful to my friends right now.
Sorry, I just have things in my mind जो ये बोल रही है ना, so I just laughed. Inside jokes, guys, you will not get it.
Yeah. Obviously, I have my friends from a long period of time, but I do talk to them, I do share things with them, but when it comes to sharing emotions, ना मैं पहले नहीं share कर पाती थी. I used to always keep it to myself, but this year I have started expressing to my friends, and it made us closer. You know, we started connecting, and I'm so grateful for that. Earlier I used to think, यार, I don't have friends. Like I obviously have friends, but ऐसा होता है ना कि यार whatever. I hope you guys understand it. It is something which I'm very proud and I'm very grateful for. So yeah, my friends, be it Urvi, be it with my school friends, be it my other friends, I'm very close and very connected to them now.
So the next thing is like very, very special and close to my heart. So I was always a very independent child. Since school, I used to do something or the other and earn like chota 100, 200 ka amount. And I used to be like very proud of myself as if मैंने कोई bank balance चुरा लिया हो किसी का. But from there, I knew that I always wanted to help my dad. So my dad is the only earning person in my family, I would say, earning person in my family, and I'm the elder child. So I always used to feel responsible कि I need to help him in some sort of way, okay? So if you all know dads, वो बेटी से कभी पैसे तो लेंगे नहीं, like Indian dads at least they don't. So I always told him that I want to help you in some or the other way. So basically I'm not getting into details, but I help him like 20 to 30% of the entire like house ke finances, and that is such a liberating feeling. It is so good, and I used to do that earlier, but since this year I've been doing it like consistently, and I've never seen my parents so proud of me. I have never been that proud of me, and I'm so happy that I'm able to do that. I will continue to do this till the time I can. And yeah, I if you are a girl, if you are taking over even 1% of inspiration from this, it doesn't have to be कि आपको घर चलाना है. It can be even 1% of help to your father or mother, whoever is earning. It is going to feel, you'll get a peaceful night's sleep, to be very honest. So yeah, that's a very good thing that I achieved in 2020.
So the next thing which I have is, I guess हमने काफी कोई materialistic चीज ये time बताई नहीं,
yeah, because
बोली नहीं है.
COVID. Yeah, there's nothing materialistic.
Exactly. So everything's like, you know, these are things we are grateful for, we are proud of.
And we're like very close to our heart, जो हमने कभी ऐसे share नहीं किया है.
Exactly, yeah. So the next thing is again something similar to that is self-love. Obviously we know about self-love from a long period of time, but when it comes to, you know, practically doing it, or you know, I don't know how to connect it to with you guys, because obviously we cannot share our personal life details with you, but yeah, life में से बहुत बार होता है कि हमने अपने आप को ऊपर नहीं रखा था, but now have realized, you know, it is very important to keep yourself, to make yourself a priority, and you have to be satisfied with yourself. There is nothing else which will make you satisfied. So yeah, like, you know, I am in the journey of self-love. I have not, you know, become an independent, strong woman till now, but I am definitely in the journey of that, and I'm so grateful for that. Like, you know, यही अगर एक साल पहले वाली Dinkle होती is a very different Dinkle, and today I am very proud where I am.
And I have seen that. I have seen her grow. We've been friends since almost 4 years now, and I've seen, she was like what, 15 or 16 when we met, right? Now she is 20 and she's become so mature, more than her age. I've seen her bloom actually, and I'm genuinely very proud. We've been through a lot of things in the past 3 to 4 months, and it's been a smooth journey, at least as friends, I would say. And at least as a person, for her, at least what I've noticed. So I am actually really proud of her for doing that, or you know, keeping herself aage of any third person or any other thing also. So I think that's a really good thing to achieve at such a age. That is very important. The last thing that I have is a recent addition. So ये पूरा 2020 तो नहीं था. So on 1st of December 2020, I bought a new phone. So I was using the iPhone X for the past 3 years, and it was time for upgrade. So I was like done with that phone because बहुत storage issues, battery issues, blah 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 things are happening. And I'm an iPhone person. Okay, I've been that since 5 to 6 years now. And if you know anything about iPhone, you know that they are expensive. So I bought a new phone. It is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They launched it last month, and I bought it. And the special part about that is that I bought it for my money, which is again always really like it's an achievement. So it is a shit crazy expensive phone. I kidney बेचनी पड़ती थी. So yeah, I'm like really happy that I bought that phone. It's a good upgrade for me. We are shooting from that phone right now, and yeah. Phone is like a good investment for me, and I am an Apple junkie. So like I'm really happy that I was able to afford this, and yeah, it's a very good feeling.
So yeah, that was 2020 for us. अगर हम हमारी चीजें which we are not happy for वो list लेके बैठे ना तो it is going to be a never ending video.
And that's going to be a depressing video. So let's not get into that. Obviously, yeah, focus on the good. Let's bring in the new year with a happy vibe. Hopefully, praying that 2021 is a great year. And also, I forgot to mention one really special thing जो इसकी या मेरी नहीं है, हम दोनों की है. That is our channel. So our channel hit 2,000 subscribers this year. And firstly, thank you so much for that. We've been so consistent throughout the lockdown as well, and you guys are loving our videos. Let us grow this channel together. So thank you so much. And yeah, that's it for this video. We will see you all next year. Till then, take care. Bye.